Good morning, students. Now, one more descriptive paragraph writing, part 2. Okay, so in the yesterday I had given you two paragraphs writing examples, and today also I'm going to give you two more examples. Okay, now today's first example. Look at the following points and develop them into a descriptive paragraph. Name: Dr. Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Parents: Gujarati. Father: Rasendra Majumdar, formerly head brewmaster at United Breweries. Father Majumdar's suggestions: study fermentation science. Education: schooling from Bishop's Cotton Girls High School, bachelor's degree in zoology from Bangalore University, went to the Federation University, Australia to study malting and brewing in 1974. Aspired to medicine but could not. Chairperson and Managing Director, Biocon Limited. Chairperson, IIM Bengaluru. Recognition: honored with numerous national and international awards. Special achievement: listing in the Forbes magazine as the most powerful woman in the world at 77th and 71st position in 2016 and 2017. These are the points given, value points or the hints given about the character Dr. Kiran Majumdar Shah. Now you have to write down paragraph on Dr. Kiran Majumdar Shah. Answer: Kiran Majumdar Shaw is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur and also the chairman and managing director of Biocon United, a biotechnology company, and is also the chairperson of IIM Bengaluru. Born to Gujarati parents in Bengaluru, she did her schooling from Bishop's Cotton Girls High School and graduated with a bachelor's degree in zoology from Bangalore University. She hoped to go to a medical school but did not obtain a scholarship. Her father, Rasendra Majumdar, was the head brewmaster at United Breweries. He suggested her to pursue a course in fermentation science to be trained as brewmaster, which was a very non-traditional course for women. Majumdar went to the Federation University in Australia to study malting and brewing in 1974, the only woman enrolled in the brewing course, and earned the master's degree in brewery in 1975. She joined the Biocon company as a trainee manager for a brief period at Cork Island and then returned to India to start her own business. And the rest is history. She has won several national and international awards and honors today. She has been listed by Forbes as one of the most powerful women in the world at 77th and 71st positions in 2016 and 2017 respectively. So this was all about the paragraph about Kiran Majumdar Shah. Okay children, so you have to write down the paragraphs like this. On to the second example. Number 2. Write a paragraph, descriptive paragraph on the following inputs about. Now you have to write down about the place now. Bandhavgarh National Park. So fact file, fact is given here. Nearest airport is at Jabalpur, nearest town railway station. Okay, station Jabalpur 165 kilometers, Katni 102 kilometers, Satna 120 kilometers. There are varied government and private options for accommodation in Tala village that adjoins the park. The park is open to visitors from October to June, but the best season for viewing wildlife is November to April. Getting around, Maruti gypsies are used to explore the park. The reservation of these can be done at the Project Tiger office or the hotels where one is staying. The tour is conducted by a guide, and in the park one must adhere to the allocated routine. So these are the facts about Bandhavgarh, and you need to now just write down paragraph. Here is the answer now. Bandhavgarh National Park is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The nearest airport is Jabalpur. It is in the Vindhya Hills in the district of Shahdol in MP. In the year 1968, it was declared as the national park. This park has a large biodiversity. The park has a large breeding population of leopards and various species of deer. It is declared as the Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in 1993. It covers an area of 694 square kilometers. The best time to visit this place to enjoy the wildlife is November to April. There is a variety of accommodation available, including government guest houses and private hotels. Maruti gypsies are used to go around the park. One can book these in advance, either from the Project Tiger office or from the hotel where one is staying. So this is about the paragraph, and in this way you need to complete paragraph about place also with the help of the hints or the facts. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.